Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into Rollercoin. It's been 3 weeks since the last time we were in here, so we're going to go and check out what's going on. And keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so here you can see we are in my Rollercoin account, and if we quickly duck in there, but like I said in the intro, it has been 3 weeks since the last time we were here, so certain things have changed. Obviously, we also got the upcoming update, which a lot of you are waiting for, which is the ability to do Tron Withdrawals. Now, I've been asked about this a lot. I've had a lot of people saying, do you know when it's coming, and stuff like that. Quickly run through the numbers. So like I said, it has been 3 weeks since the last time we were in here, and basically 3 weeks ago, so I'm just reading my notes. 3 weeks ago, our hashing power, which is this number here, was at 262.4. You can now see we're at 274.4. Now, 2 of those petahashes are from the season pass, which was the 2 petahash, which would last 30 days. So obviously when that runs out, we will drop down to 272.4. So essentially in 3 weeks, we've gained another 10 petahashes. In the last video, which was 3 weeks prior to the video before that, we've gained 10 petahashes. Now 3 weeks after that, we've gained another 10 petahashes. Our bonus power 3 weeks ago was 274.2. You can now see we're at 282.9. So that's like nearly a gain of 9, well, basically a gain of 9% on the bonus. So obviously this is all pushing our account forward. That has basically come from a couple of things. If we go into here, I've added yet another 2 5% bonus racks. These I got one from the season pass, and then I bought another one today, which was around about 2, I think it was like 2.1 RLT on the marketplace. So that we've gained 2 more 5% racks. Then obviously the ones, the miners that were on the normal racks, I've transferred the best of those onto the 5% racks. I also gained this miner here and the duplicate miner there from the season pass, and I bought the Spartan Boss miner on the marketplace today, because that was going at a really good price as well. It was like, you know, just over 50 RLT, which I thought, for even though it doesn't give you a huge amount of power, it does give you over a 5% bonus boost. So for me, that was, and obviously with the racks, as we know, that only gives a bonus, like a 5% bonus boost to the miners that are actually on the racks, whereas getting the miner here at a 5.25% bonus boost, that is a 5.2% bonus on my entire collection of miners. So on all my power, that goes to the total power bonus as opposed to a rack bonus. So obviously, you know, that is adding 5% or over 5% to my power, my overall power. So that was I thought that was a really good price. So if we drop into the bonus pass, we are pretty much at level 10. We're going to complete level 10 tomorrow. I know I'm probably way behind most of you guys, but to be honest with you, I've not been able to spend as much time as I would have liked in Rollercoin. I've been basically pulled in about 50 different directions over the last few months doing things. And, that's also why there's been a few weeks where I've missed doing videos and stuff like that. So apologies for that, but hopefully we can get back on track and sort of start pushing forward again. Obviously, it's not like, my account has massively suffered, because I've been picking up miners here and there which have been helping my account. But when it comes to the season pass, I definitely haven't been able to put in as much time as I would have liked to. And for those of you that don't know a whole lot about Rollercoin, but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to a tutorial in the description. Now that's going to give you a lot more information and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and earning some of those free coins. But if you go right the way to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. So so like I said, the big news is the withdrawals of Tron. So basically, the last thing I read was that Rollercoin said that it was going to be a few weeks. Now that was at the beginning of this month. So if we go and check out the season pass, so the season pass is 20 days or 21 days, which in my opinion is a few weeks. So essentially it's 3 weeks to the end of the season. And I think that's when the withdrawals are going to come in. So basically they're not going to come in during the season. They're going to come in when the season finishes. That's sort of, what I'm gathering from their short post, just saying it's going to be here in a few weeks. If it said a couple of weeks, then I'd say, well, that's 2 weeks. A few weeks for me is 3 or more. There's 3 weeks to the end of the season, so I think that's when it's going to arrive. Because even going through the posts, Rollercoin past post, they've not been very forthcoming with when it's going to happen. But like I say, the most recent post they put out, he said it's going to be in a few weeks. So it's not a couple of weeks, it's a few weeks. The season pass ends in a few weeks, so that's when I'm figuring that the Tron withdrawals will happen, which obviously I'm sure a lot of you are very pleased about. Okay, so I know it's not overly exciting, but that is pretty much all I've got for you in this video. I wanted to do just show you a quick progress on how my account's doing, what I've been doing to sort of keep my account moving forward, and obviously bring that information to you about the Tron withdrawals. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found that helpful and informative. And if you can, please smash that like button. It really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.